Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Tuesday, September the 3rd, and the time is 4 a.m. GMT. Today we will be updating the chart of the Euro Yen. This is the 1 hour chart. You can see right here the right side still remains to the downside as indicated by the stem right here with the red color. And we have a 5 ways down from this peak from 118.2. And we should be finishing this 5 ways down pretty soon right here, and then soon we'll be getting a 3 ways bounce. And since the right side still remains lower against 118.2, we still continue to see for the downside is a possibility here to finish a wave 5 in the black here. And so this is now ending with 105, and then now the bounce is expected to fail below here for the downside. Alright, so if we take a look at the daily chart, this is the 5 ways down that we're trying to finish here. We got what looks like an impulsive move to the downside right here from here. So now we are still finishing the wave 5 to finish this entire move to the downside right here. Okay. Also, if we take a look at the euro dollars also still looks to be incomplete right now. Okay, the euro dollars just recently broke down. And now we can see right here this sequence here also looks incomplete right here. Okay, with the 100% target 1.0880. So with the euro still looking for the downside, so it makes sense to expect the euro yen to also continue to see for the downside as well. So the ECB widely expected to cut the rate again and also introduce further stimulus in the form of bond buying due to the basically the slowdown in the eurozone right now. Germany is in a recession and so on. So so basically the market is pricing in that possibility. So the whole world right now, the economy is slowing down significantly everywhere because of the trade war. The US is really the only one that is still strong, but we'll see how long they're gonna be standing up the economy. But I mean, for now, we can expect the euro will be next to introduce rate cut as well as more QE possibly, and the market has starting to price in that. And you can see the euro yen again, any bounce is going to be expected to fail, fall for the downside. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, you can like and subscribe, and also further updates you can always check our service. We have end of summer promotion right now, 50% off for any of the plan that you purchase. The market is soon going to be liquid again as the summer is officially ending, and we should be really I think the remainder of the year is going to be very interesting and can be potentially very volatile with all the things that happen right now. Okay, so see you guys again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.